बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है समझना है। माय नेम इज सजिदा राजा। आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 4। माय स्कूल नेम इज फैजान इस्लामिक स्कूल सिस्टम, हैदराबाद, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn grade 8 O-level maths for O-level science commerce group, new syllabus mathematics book theory 7th edition, chapter number 1, quadratic equation and functions. Exercise 1.1, so solving quadratic equation by completing the square. Basic level A3 type question. Question number 2, solve each of the following equation, giving your answer correct to decimal place where necessary. So also the forms of QE, we are going to do the 2-1. Book answers and the steps are written, and you can see we are going to start this book theory all levels. So the first step is take radical on both sides. Okay. Now here will become radical bracket 5 minus x is equal to plus minus radical 7. Then split into two equations. So here will be, this will be cut and cut. So here will come 5 minus x is equal to radical 7. 5 minus x is minus radical 7. Then take out the square root. Square 2 minus 6, 4. 2 minus 6, 4. 5, 7. 5 minus x is equal to, so I am doing that both on the one time. So 2 minus 2.6457. Now solve and get 2.35 for 2 and minus 7.6457. Okay, so this 5 will be go there, this will become minus 5. Then we will do the plus minus. So here will come minus x is equal to 3.35. 2.35. 2.35. 2.35 for 2. Okay. Now here we will do like this. So this 5 will be go there. This will be minus 5. Then minus 2.6457 minus 5 minus x is equal to minus 7.6457. Okay. Then this, now I want to make this x in the plus x. That's why this plus x will be go there and this will be come here. So this will be then this will be, and we have to make this in plus. I am sorry I didn't show this. Now this will come plus 2.3542. Then is equal to x. We have to put this x here. That's why we can write or x is equal to 2.3542. We have taken out this. Now let's come to second one. Now this will be go there also. So this plus 7.6457 will become x is equal to x. We have to put this x here. That's why we will write or 7 x is equal to 7.6457. Okay. Now the sixth step, round off to 2 decimal. So here will come x is equal to 2 point. This 4 is small, so that's why 2.35 will become. Now second one. First of all 5 is 5. So that's why x is equal to 7.65 will be. We will see the second one. No, x is equal to, then we will do this c. So this will become in the 6. Now this is biggest, that's why we will plus. So here will come x is equal to 7.65. Now I have no space, that's why I am removing that, and you can see the whole list. I am not removing that question, so you can see. Now I am writing the question. So roots are 2.35 or 7.65. 7.65, and this is become our answer. So the book answers are written. You can check it. First of all, 2.35. Yes. 2.35, 7.65, 7.65. It's simple, means this is correct. Thank you. No like, no subscribe, only share.